the linear function and its inverse. Determine and draw the graph of the inverse of the function defined by y equals 6x plus 6 on the set of axes. Solution. Recall the vertical line test that we performed on the linear functions. We can draw the graph of the linear function on the Cartesian plane. Note that we have been given the equation of the linear function in gradient-intercept form. M equals 6. Y-intercept 0, 6. We can determine the x-intercept by letting y equal 0. X-intercept -1, 0. Therefore the points are 0, 6 and -1, 0. Since the linear function is a one-to-one relation, its inverse will also exist. We can determine the inverse of the given function algebraically. We interchange the variables x and y. Therefore, x equals 6y plus 6. Making y the subject of the formula, we get y equals x over 6 minus 1. The y-intercept is 0, -1. To draw this graph, we determine the x-intercept by letting y equal 0. X-intercept 6, 0. We can draw the graph of the inverse of the function on the same set of axes. We can see that the graph of the inverse of the function of y, that is, y inverse, is a reflection of y about the line y equals x. This means that every point on the graph of y has a mirror image on the graph of y inverse. We can generalize the process of obtaining the inverse of a linear function of the form y equals ax plus q. Interchanging x and y variables, we get, making y the subject of the formula, we get, or equals x over a minus q over a.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Mesky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.